In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a PowerPoint presentation in OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming a live presentation, creating video content, or recording tutorials, integrating your PowerPoint presentations directly into OBS will save you time and enhance the professionalism of your project. Let's dive into this process step by step to make sure you get it just right. First, you want to open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you're new to OBS, it's a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming, and it's widely used for its versatility and powerful features. Make sure your OBS Studio is updated to the latest version to ensure compatibility with what we're about to do. Once OBS Studio is open, direct your attention to the Sources panel at the bottom of the window. This section is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to add different elements to your scene. Think of it as a blank canvas where you layer graphics, videos, webcams, and in this instance, your PowerPoint presentation. Next, you're going to click on the little plus icon, which says Add, when you hover over it, located right inside the Sources section. This action brings up a list of potential sources you can add to your scene. You'll see options ranging from video captures to image files and more. But for our purposes, you'll want to focus on selecting Window Capture. After clicking Window Capture, it will prompt you with a new window titled Create Select Source. Here you have the option to create a new source. Give your new source an intuitive name, perhaps something like PowerPoint Display, especially useful if you plan to use multiple windows in your presentation. Now, you'll see another window titled Properties for Window Capture. Look for the option labeled as Window. Click on this drop-down menu. You should be presented with a list of open windows currently running on your system. Scroll or search for the PowerPoint presentation you intend to showcase. Make sure your PowerPoint is already open to avoid it not appearing in this list. Once you've selected the specific PowerPoint presentation window, you might notice that it's automatically captured and added into your OBS scene. From here, you can adjust the size and placement of your PowerPoint presentation directly within the OBS canvas. Take a moment to position it to your liking. This simple yet effective method allows you to seamlessly incorporate a PowerPoint presentation into your live streams or recordings using OBS Studio. With practice, you can master these steps and easily toggle between presentations and other media during your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.